First, open Cash App and go to the home screen, which shows your cash balance at the top. For example, let's say your balance is $10. If you sell a stock worth $5, your balance will increase to $15 after the sale. To start, scroll down to the Stocks section, where you can see the stocks you currently own. This is where you'll manage and sell your investments. To cash out, think of stocks like items you own, such as an old book. You buy it, hold on to it, and when you decide to sell it, you get some money back. The process works the same way with stocks. Tap on the stock you want to sell, then hit the sell button. If it's the weekend and the stock market is closed, you'll need to schedule the sale for Monday morning. On weekdays, however, you can sell the stock immediately. Once the sale is confirmed, any applicable fees will be deducted, and the remaining amount will appear in your cash balance. Once the money is in your cash balance, you can decide what to do with it. To withdraw it to your bank, tap Withdraw at the top of the screen. Enter the amount you want to transfer, confirm the withdrawal, and the money will reach your bank within a few days.